I forgot where I am.
You're at the place where the killers meet to decide what to do with the crippled girl.
That's right. That's right.
Did you hear that?